Hello everybody, welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you all you need to know about the dashboard of your website, whether in any form of website you are doing, about WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to be taking it for one after the other, but I'm going to jump some one that are plugins that are not needed for, but the basic ones you need to know about the dashboard of a WordPress website. So let's go first of all with the post. The post is where you post your articles. This is where you see all the articles you have made. If you want to add a new one, once you click here, you will see to add your title and all the content of your post. This is a category of your post, and this is tag. You can add tag uh, some things on your post. I'm gonna give you the tag so that people, when they search it, they can see the with those keywords, with those tags you use, they can also locate the post you want. So with category, every post must go under a category. So whatever post you are making, you have to channel them to a category. So any post that is not categorized will be uncategorized. So you need to put a post under a category before it will show. It is going to show, but without a category, it will be showing uncategorized. So, but every post should be under a category. For example, you are making a post about politics, you're writing out about politics, so your category of that post should be politics. If you are writing about music, your category of that should be music. So if you are writing about education or sports or football or soccer, your category should be sports. So that is what it's all about. So next we're going to look at media. Media shows you all the images you have on the website. It shows you all the files, video, PDF, digital copy you have on the website. It is where you can find them on your library. The next one, you say you add new. If you want to upload a new one, you can click here to add to your media. Next one is your page. Page shows you, or this one, all pages is where you find all the pages you have created already. And what page is all about, you use page to make a design of any website you're looking for. You are trying to design. For example, if you're building a business website, you need a home page, about page, a contact page, a portfolio page, a service page. All these are pages, and on those pages, that is where you make your design for that particular page. So each page you create, this you modify it, you customize it to the test of how you want it to be for you. The next one is once you click pages, you can see all pages, and you can see add new. So next one is comments. So on the comment part of it, you will see uh anyone that comments on your post, you see the comments will be counting here. You see the comments will be counting here. You see your comments counting here, please. You can see it counting here. So when people make any comment on the post you have made, they will be showing the numbers of comments you have had on the post. So next one we're going to look at is appearance. The appearance is very important for you to understand that appearance. The first thing we're going to look at is a theme. On the theme aspect, you're going to look at how the theme you are using for the design of the website. So you can see we are using Saifa as the premium theme we are using. So there is other themes available, but this is what we are using here. So once you activate it, it will be showing here as the current theme that is active. So and you can see, let's leave here. What I'm gonna explain next will still contain all this. So well, okay, let's see customize. If you want to customize the theme, this is where you go to customize anything, the color, the content of the website, the theme. The next one is widget. Widget is what you add at the sidebars of your website. There are different sides of a website. We have the top menu, we have the body of this website, we have the sidebar of the website, we have the footer. So those areas is where you can add widgets on them. So you can put your widgets as kind of a drag and drop block. I'm going to show you there too. Menu, this is the menu of your website. You want to put a menu where you can put your home, about, service, portfolio, contact us. All these things are menu. So anything you want to do for this WordPress, for this blogging website we are doing today, our menu will be different. We're going to write our menu as our categories of the posts we are making, like politics, religion, business, entertainment. All those things are menus you can put. So next one is plugins. For example, I told you before in the first video I'm explaining about WordPress. The two things you need to understand about WordPress is your theme and plugin. Once you can get these two things intact, you can design the website you're looking for. You are looking for design a website maybe for a church or a business website or a whatever kind of platform or online store, all you need to do is to go and look for the theme. If you can get the theme, if it's a premium theme, the theme will automatically give you access to the plugins that you need. But if you have a team and you want to use that team to do another kind of website, or want to extend that team to function in another way, all you need to do is look for a plugin that can give you that kind of function. So what plugins does to is to extend the functionality of your website. So you want to extend the functionality of your website, you use a plugin, and then the plugin, you can find plugin, as I've told you before. You can have a free one and a paid one. So I'm going to be showing you also how to get a premium plugins for free, and how to get a theme, that premium theme. For this theme is a premium theme. When you look for it as Saifa, you look for Saifa at teamforest.net, it will show you how much it goes. There is about $59 or so. So we have gotten it for you. I can show you how to get it for free and use it. So this is where you put your theme. See all the installed theme. You can add new theme. I mean plugins. You can see where you can see installed plugins. You can add new plugins. So next one is user. User shows you all the user registered on your website, whereby if somebody registers and they have an account on your website, you will find them here. You can also add a new user. You can also create somebody's account on your website and create a new account for somebody on your website. That is what user is all about. The next one we're going to look at is tools. Tools is available tools. This is available tools, and you can see import. If you want to import a content from another WordPress website into this website now, this is where you go to. You import any page, plugins, or articles you have made on a different every content of that website. You can import it. If it's a WordPress website, you can import it to this website. And if you want to export every content of this website, you can use this export and export every content of this website to another WordPress website, and it will be showing. The next one we're going to look at is the general. Let's click on general, and excuse me. So when you look at general, it will show you the site title, show you the tagline. You can delete this and write your own tagline, and you can see the permanent link of the WordPress link at site address. You can see the email of the admin. You can see membership. If you want this website to be whereby people can register on this website, you can just click here. You say anyone can register, and when they register, the new user default role will be a subscriber. You can also make it anyone you like, but mostly by default is on subscriber. So once you are done, you go down and click save. So one thing you do, you need to click save to affect the change. So next one, you're going to look at write. There's nothing much about right there, so it's just how to set your email or whatever. So next thing we're going to look at is, just leave this part like this as it is. Look at reading is very important when you understand. If you are building a WordPress website or for a blogging, you mostly leave it of this latest post, but mostly we don't use this anymore. So what we use is to make it a default page, create a static page whereby the post will be on the static page, and each one you make post on, it will be showing, and all the posts of every kind will be showing on that particular page. But if you are using your latest post, so is this one shows only the latest post, and others will go off, and you'll not be seeing others at the same time. So what we do, if you're doing a business website, we click on static and select a page. You should have created a home page called home here. So when you create a page called home, when you select that, you see the home, you select it, so that that home will be the default page that any visitor that comes to your website will be seeing. So that particular home here that you selected will be the first thing the visitor will see. So when somebody wants to view your post, your articles, this is where you can set the page where they can find all your articles in one page. So you can create another page called blog. So when somebody wants to click on your post and see all your articles or whatever, they will take them to straight to the blog page, and all the articles will be shown there for them to see. That is what this is all about. So next thing, you go down. Once you have affected your change, you can go down and save it. You can see discussions, you can see media. All these are external plugins on the Cypher that we're using for the site. So I'm going to show you something about Cypher theme. You can see the theme theme setting, you can see, let's go to theme setting. You can see the theme setting. You can make your theme full in terms of, you can make the layer to be full. It will fill the screen. If you have noticed that Saifa is using box by default. Is using box by default. What it means is that you can see space by the side here and space by the side here. It means there is on the box form. But when you select it to be full and save, let's refresh this now. You can see it have occupied the spaces here, so you can see it's a full page. So that is so all this is sorry, excuse me. All this is as things you can see, settings you can edit. You can upload your own favicon. What is a favicon? This little icon you're seeing here is what they call favicon. You can change it and put your own. You can also upload your own logo. Excuse me. Okay, so when you come here, you're going to study all this, check all this first. You can see where you can upload your own logo of the website. You can actually use your site title. You can use your custom logo. This is where you can upload them on the Saifa team. So most of the team has their own mode of setting. So you need to understand the theme and know how you can use it for the website you are looking for build is trying to be. So let's pause the video here. I will see you next time.